rock wall?
Yes. The only thing we didn't do. Nice! Whoa! Again,
job.
look at that. It's not right in the center, but it's part of the center. Okay, watch out, watch out, watch out. I want to show that.
Look, I made a big hole on that one. And this one too.
Okay. Good job, Bobby.
Okay, I have a challenge for you.
Yeah.
Okay, if you can, now this is just an idea.
Okay.
Take one shot from each of the bowls that are set up, and if you hit them just on the target, it doesn't even have to be in the middle. If you hit every single one on the target, I'll give you the medallion anyway.
Okay, that's gonna be that's
Nice.
scary.
I believe in you though. You're doing so good. I think you can do it.
Okay.
What do you think, Dad? You think you can do it?
Yeah, of course.
Now I'm very nervous.
You don't have to. I'll eat whatever bow you want, and I'll let you try 2 shots per what's it called, circle thing. So you get 2 tries per target.
Come on, Johnny, you can do it. Take your time, okay? Nice.
Woo!
One is complete. Go to the second. Nice. Yeah. Keep going. Go! That's awesome. Yeah. Good job, Bobby.
I didn't take my time on that one, but
You did amazing.
Oh, 2 on the row.
I'm gonna do 3 in a row.
Go,
then.
Johnny, go. Go, Johnny, go. Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Woo-hoo.
Nice. Nice.
Wow.
Good job, Bobby. 3 more left.
I can do it.
No pressure. Just take your time. Come on, Bobby. Yes. 2 more. Yes, 1 more. The last one. Woo!
Oh,
I'm so excited.
I better hit this one.
Yes! 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 Good job, Papi. Nice. Now you need to receive your prize. Yay! That was awesome.
Wait, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Every single one.
11 in a row.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, you get to pick. Do you want this one, and they'll give you a string at the front? This is the arrow, or do you want the tomahawk?
I want the arrow, obviously.
Heck yeah! And then they'll help you string it at the office. If you
Okay.
Okay.
Just to film. Wait, is that? Right there.
Wow.
Nice.
want. It shows how good you
Beautiful.
are. This is a hard
Can I film the ox too?
Sure.
Okay, take this one. Right there. Nice.
So what are these called?
Those are, we kind of just call them beads, or we can call them medallions. That's what I like to call it, because a lot of people like to get like the gold medals. I think these are so much cooler because they're one of a kind, and you got to do it by doing something fantastic that most people can't do. So it's a little medallion that you get to keep. You can put it on a necklace or on a bracelet, and then you can show off how awesome you are at archery, because that is fantastic. That is amazing.
I'm going to show it. Come, Johnny, I want to show it.
I didn't hit a single one on the. I didn't hit a single one.
Come closer.
Outside of the black. No,
Yeah.
it was all blue or better.
Come closer, Papi, so you can explain.
And I did 2 in a row too.
Yeah. So, what was the challenge again?
I had to shoot every single one first try.
Okay. And right here is the proof. So, this one right there in the target, and the second one is in the target.
Oh my goodness.
This one is right there. Right here. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one.
And you filmed all of them when I shot all of them?
Yeah, of course. I was
Nice.
filming from the beginning. Beautiful.
All five.
All five?
All five onto there. It doesn't even have to be in the middle, just somewhere on there.
Okay. That's gonna be pretty hard.
I know. But I kind of have, if you want, you could try to do 10 and I'll give you 2 extra. So you
Oh my goodness.
you can shoot 12 and if you make 10 out of the 12, I'll still give you the medallions.
Okay.
So you can. But you can practice for a while.
Okay. So I just say when I'm ready?
Spread it out so you get 3 new ones.
Hey, puppy, can you hold this? I don't want to.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it's so close. Oh,
Nice.
one
Woohoo.
more.
Nice. Yeah, Johnny. Oh, awesome. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You're doing great. Oh.
That's my 8th one.
Oh, it's all right, puppy. That was awesome. You had your 2nd trophy or
Yeah.
medals. Nice.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. For awesome tomahawk throwing ship, you get
you.
a tomahawk medallion.
Yeah.
Nice. Wait.
It's my
Nice.
2nd trophy.
Your 2nd trophy.
Good job, G.
Thank
That
you.
was awesome. High five. Great job.
Nice.